Welcome to our review of the Panasonic Lumix 30x Zoom Travel Camera with 4K Selfie DCTZ95 GA. If you're a travel enthusiast and love to capture your adventures in stunning detail, this camera may be the perfect choice for you. In this review, we'll explore the features and benefits of the Panasonic Lumix and help you decide if it's the right camera for your next travel adventure. So grab a seat and let's dive in. The Panasonic Lumix has a sleek and compact design, which makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. It features a robust build with a metal body that feels sturdy and well-made. The camera also has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold and shoot for extended periods of time. The camera is available in a range of colors, including black, silver, and bronze, so you can choose a color that matches your personal style. One of the standout features of the camera is its 30x optical zoom. This zoom range is ideal for capturing distant landscapes, wildlife, and other faraway subjects. The camera also features a 6x intelligent zoom, which extends the zoom range even further without sacrificing image quality. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or a secluded national park, this camera's zoom capabilities will help you capture the perfect shot. The camera also features a 4K selfie mode, which is perfect for capturing high-quality selfies and group shots. The camera has a 180-degree tiltable monitor that makes it easy to frame the shot and capture the perfect image. The camera also features a range of beauty functions, including skin smoothing and slimming, which can help you look your best in every shot. The camera features a 20.3 megapixel sensor that delivers stunning image quality. The camera also features advanced image processing technology that can produce sharp, detailed images in a range of lighting conditions. The camera has a range of shooting modes, including manual, aperture priority, and shutter priority, which give you greater control over the image quality. In addition to its impressive still image capabilities, the camera also features advanced video capabilities. The camera can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, which delivers stunning video quality. The camera also features a range of advanced video functions, including 4K live cropping and post-focus, which give you greater control over the video footage. The camera also has a built-in microphone that captures clear, high-quality audio. One potential downside of the Panasonic Lumix is its battery life. The camera features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can deliver up to 380 shots per charge. While this should be enough for a day's worth of shooting, you may need to carry a spare battery if you plan to shoot for an extended period of time. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.